For those looking to breathe new life into their Dell OptiPlex or Vostro desktops, finding the right power supply is crucial. Today, we're taking a look at the D500EPS-01, a 500W power supply designed as a replacement for several Dell models, including the OptiPlex 3,000 metric tons, 5,000 metric tons, 7,000 metric tons, Vostro 3710, 3910, T3660, and even the XPS 8950. This power supply addresses a common need: upgrading or replacing a failing PSU in these specific Dell systems. It's not a universal solution, so compatibility is key. Make sure to double-check that your Dell model is listed as compatible. Notably, it's not compatible with the OptiPlex 7010 or 7020. The D500EPS-01 boasts a maximum output of 500W, operating within a 100-240V range of 50 to 60 Hz. The connector configuration is 8+4+4, pin plus, 8-pin plus 8-pin, which is specifically tailored for the listed Dell motherboards. This is a drop-in replacement, so you won't need to worry about adapter cables. The compatible model numbers include L500EPS-01 and D500EPS-01, and the compatible part numbers are TPX56, OVFFKJ, and VFFKJ. Always verify these numbers against your existing power supply to ensure a proper fit. In terms of form factor, it adheres to the ATX standard, and the cooling method is air-based, which is typical for power supplies in this class. The dimensions are 7.36 by 4.72 by 2.44 inches. Upgrading a power supply can seem daunting, but the D500EPS-01 aims to simplify the process for compatible Dell systems. It's a direct replacement, so as long as your model number matches, the installation should be straightforward. Remember to always disconnect the power cord and take necessary precautions when working with computer hardware.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.